Good morning, kids. Today in this video we are going to read chapter 5 of your EVS book, Are You Green? Environmental Studies. This is your book by Pinnacle India. Okay. So from this book we are going to start chapter 5. First we will do the reading of the chapter and then let me explain you the points. Okay. Chapter 5, Our Food. Food is our basic need. So this we have discussed already, that food is our basic need. In our previous chapter we have discussed the basic needs, that air, water and food. So you already knew about it, that food is our basic need. So basic is a keyword here. Let me read this sentence again. Food is our basic need. Okay. Second sentence, let me check. Food gives us energy. What does food give us? Food gives us energy. Energy is the second keyword here. Food gives us energy. So this paragraph, the first paragraph, I have already explained you in my online class. Still I am explaining you again. Food gives us energy. In this chapter, we are going to learn 4 important concepts. That is, why do we eat food? खाना हमें क्यों खाना चाहिए? तो उसका जो reasons है, why do we eat food? This is number 1 concept, and the kinds of food that gives us energy, that help us to grow and help us to stay healthy. So these are the pictures are also given in your book. So this is the second concept, the different kinds of food that we eat. And the third concept is your meals of the day. And fourth is good habits. Okay. So these are the 4 concepts which we are going to learn from this book. So the first concept is, why do we eat food? हमें खाना क्यों खाना चाहिए? The first reason for eating food is, food gives us energy. Food हमें energy देता है. Food gives us energy. Why do we need energy? We need energy to work and play. खेलने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए, काम करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है. So food gives us energy. Understood? The first sentence is, food is our basic need. Basic need है और food के बिना हम नहीं रह सकते हैं. So food हमारी बहुत basic need है. And number 2 is, food gives us energy. Food हमें energy देता है. Food gives us energy. So this is the second keyword. You have to learn the spelling of this word, energy. To work and play. काम करने के लिए, खेलने के लिए, हर काम करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है. The next is, it helps us to grow strong and healthy. So the next important words are strong and healthy. So food, it means यहाँ पे it का मतलब है food. Food helps us to grow. Food हमें और क्या हेल्प करता है? हमें ग्रो होने में भी, बड़े होने में भी. जब स्मॉल से लेके बड़े होने के लिए, ठीक है, बड़े होने के लिए भी हेल्प करता है. वो भी हम कैसे बड़े होते हैं? स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. इट हेल्प्स अस टू ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. So the first sentence is, food is our basic need. Food gives us energy. Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. Okay, if we eat good food, healthy food, then we grow very strong and healthy. Children grow every day. Okay, so if you here you have to note down that you should eat very healthy food. Okay, every time you children are going for junk food, so leave that junk food, that is not good for our health. Junk food has no nutrients in it. or it has very less nutrient. So we have to eat healthy food to grow strong and healthy. Okay. Next, it means food. Food protects us from diseases. So diseases is a new word. It is a keyword and it is a very new word for you. Okay. It protects us from diseases. बीमारी से भी हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है. प्रोटेक्ट वाला वर्ड आपने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया क्लोथ्स चैप्टर में. ओके, सो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम डिसीजेस. हम बीमार नहीं होंगे अगर इफ़ वी ईट गुड फूड वी विल बी वेरी हेल्दी. सो ओनली द वायरसेस एंड बैक्टीरियाज catch children or anyone who is not healthy. So you should eat healthy food to keep yourself healthy so that we will be away from diseases. Okay, so I am reading all the sentences again. Food is our basic need. Food gives us energy. It helps us. Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. Okay, it protects us from diseases. So this is the first concept that why we are eating food. So let me read the sentences again. Let me tell you the sentences. We eat food because food gives us energy. Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. And the third reason is food protects us from diseases. Clear to you? The second concept is the various type of foods that gives us energy and help us to grow and help us to stay healthy. The first one, let me check you. Foods like chapati, rice, bread and butter give us energy to work and play. What are all the food items that are given here? Chapati, the one which you eat every day, chapati, paratha, all these things. And then rice, chawal. Bread you eat, and butter. Bread butter तो आप खाते रहते हैं ना. Foods like chapati, rice, bread and butter give us energy to work and play. So these are the food items that give you energy to work and play. I am taking out the names again. Chapati, rice, bread and butter. So these are the new words: chapati, rice, bread and butter. Okay, so these four items gives us energy. The second one, food such as milk. So the second one is milk, fish, egg and pulses help us to grow. So here the food items that help us to grow are milk, fish, eggs and pulses. ये जो 4 food items है, these 4 food items help us to grow strong and healthy. ये जो healthy food होता है, ये you have to eat and drink. Milk is a complete food, so you should drink milk every day. If possible 2 times a day. 2 बार दूध पीना चाहिए. Okay, milk has so many good nutrients and it help you to grow strong and healthy. So milk, fish, eggs, pulse. जो दाल खाना चाहिए, eggs और fish, ये सब कुछ खाना चाहिए. ये all the food items will help you to grow strong. Again I am reading the sentence. Food such as milk, fish, egg and pulses help us to grow. So these 4 items, chapati, rice, bread and butter gives us energy to work. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses help us to grow strong and healthy. Okay, the third one, food like fruits and vegetables help us to stay healthy. So which food items will protect us from diseases, or which food items that help us to stay healthy? Fruits and vegetables. fruits and vegetables are the food items that help us to stay healthy. So we have to eat fruits and vegetables on daily basis. Seasonal fruits and vegetables you have to eat. Okay, you shouldn't only go for potatoes. Every time you bring potatoes, and potato is your favorite vegetable, isn't it? But you should eat all type of vegetables and fruits. Okay. So apple, banana, some examples are given here for fruits and vegetables. Carrot, potato. Potato is also a very good vegetable. It gives you energy also, and it helps us to stay healthy. So fruits and vegetables help us to stay healthy. Okay, clear? The first concept is, why do we eat food? उसका रीज़न है, food gives us energy, food help us to grow strong and healthy, and then food protects us from diseases. So name the food items that give us energy. के अंदर हम क्या लर्न कर रहे हैं? चपाती, राइस, bread and butter. And the food items that help us to grow strong and healthy are milk, fish, eggs and pulses. And the food items that help us to stay healthy are the items that protects us from diseases are apple, banana, carrot and potato. Okay children, so I have already told you, eat healthy food. If you eat healthy food, then you will protect yourself from diseases and you will grow strong and healthy, and it gives you energy to work and play. Okay, don't go for junk food. Junk food won't give you any energy. It will not help you to grow strong and healthy, or it won't protect you from diseases. Okay, do you remember this? Good. Our next third concept is meals of the day. So in a day we eat 3 meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, just let me explain you, when do we eat these meals in a day? We eat 3 meals in a day. So how many meals do we eat in a day? We eat 3 meals. हम 3 बार खाना खाते हैं ना, so 3 meals लेते हैं हम एक दिन में. We eat 3 meals in a day. In the morning we eat breakfast. So keywords are morning and breakfast. So when do we eat our breakfast? We eat our breakfast in the morning. What do we eat in the morning? We eat breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. ओके, मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट खाते हैं. वी ईट ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, नंबर 2, इन द आफ्टरनून वी ईट लंच. So lunch and afternoon are new words here. You have to learn these 2 words. In the afternoon we eat lunch. When do we eat lunch? Lunch हम कब खाते हैं? आफ्टरनून में. What do we eat in the afternoon? आफ्टरनून में क्या खाते हैं? Lunch. So I can ask you this word also or this word also. So you have to learn both the words. In the afternoon we eat lunch. So in the morning we eat breakfast. In the afternoon we eat lunch. Okay. At night, रात को we eat dinner. रात को हम डिनर खाते हैं. Do you, ये क्वेश्चन ये अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है. Do you waste food को हम बाद में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. पहले ये 3 meals of the day चेक करते हैं. So we eat 3 meals in a day. How many meals do we eat in a day? So 3 meals. In the morning we eat breakfast. In the afternoon we eat lunch. And at night we eat dinner. Okay, clear? So the 3 meals of the day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Okay, so here one question is given here. Do you waste food? Tell me, do you waste food? Wasting food is a very bad practice. We should not waste food. Okay, Food is very precious and we should not waste it. Okay, now come to the work time question. Write G for good habits and B for bad habits. Okay, so here boxes are given. We have to write either G or B. If it is a good habit, then we have to write G. If it is a bad habit, we have to write B. Okay. Washing hands before and after every meal. Is this a good habit or bad habit? It's a good habit because we have to wash our hands before and after meal. Okay. Whatever you are going to eat, you should wash your hands before that. Okay. We should not eat food with our dirty hands. Talking while eating. So, is this a good habit? No, this is a bad practice. You should close your mouth and eat. Okay? And chewing your food well. Yes, it's a good practice. खाने को चबा चबा के खाना है. Chewing your food well. Not wasting food. It's a good habit. We should not waste food. And number 5 is overeating. Overeating मतलब जितना भूख लगती है उतना ही खाना है, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा खाएंगे, that is called overeating. And overeating is a bad practice. Number 6, buying the food from roadside vendors. This is a bad practice. Okay. So generally roadside vendors, they keep the food uncovered. So ढक के नहीं रखते हैं and insects are roaming around. So you should not eat food from roadside vendors. So neat भी नहीं होता वो. Next is drinking plenty of water. Good habit. पानी पीना चाहिए. Always eating uncovered food. This is a bad habit. ओके, अनकवर्ड. वी शुड ऑलवेज ईट कवर्ड फूड. जो फूड के ऊपर जो ढके रखे हैं ना, ढकना चाहिए, उसी फूड को खाना है. इफ़ फूड इज़ अनकवर्ड, यू शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट. ओके. एंड देन वॉशिंग फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर ईटिंग देम. येस, गुड. वी हैव टू वॉश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स प्रॉपरली with water. Always munching toffees or chocolates. This is a bad habit because it will affect your teeth. So every time we should not eat toffees and chocolates. I have already told you now, you should always eat healthy food. Okay, so these are the good habits in respect of chapter Our Food. So we have covered all the 4 points. The first one is why do we eat food, and then the food items that give us energy, help us to grow and stay healthy, and number 3 is meals of the day, and 4 good habits. So you can follow the good habits which are given here, like you have to wash your hands before and after every meal, and then you should not waste your food, and then don't go for roadside vendors food, and drinking plenty of water. Always eat covered food. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. These are some good habits given here in your book. You have to follow. Okay. Now let us revise the points. Food is our basic need. Yes. Food gives us energy. Food protects us from diseases. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the 3 meals of the day. So these are the 4 points for revision time. I think that's all for today. So the reading of the chapter is done. We will in another video I will cover the book exercises. Otherwise this video will be very lengthy. So in some other video I will cover this book exercises. So read this chapter well and learn the spellings of keywords. Read it loud. Okay, so that it will be familiar, the keywords will be familiar to you. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.